Hi, Darrell Stafford with Catalysis. I want to talk to you today about using 3D printed to make tooling to manufacture foam seating for automotive markets. The main benefit to using 3D printed tooling is cost and time. Significant savings in cost and time, about half of the cost of aluminum tool and less than half the manufacturing time compared to aluminum. So significant savings. That's why 3D printing makes sense for prototype, low to medium volume type production, not mass production. But prototype medium, low to medium volume to manufacture seating. They have integral heating in the tool to get the tool temperature of 140, 150 F. Magnets inside to hold the cloth material. Standoffs to hold the wire frames inside the tooling, and also venting for the tool. So yeah, if you're interested to talk to us, reduce cost and time, which generally that's the driving force for tooling, just give us a call.